We all know that the best time to invest in any kind of asset is on red days. That is to say, if you already have confidence in a project, in its team, in its vision, why not pick it up when it's discounted 10, 20, maybe even 30%? With this latest Bitcoin retracement that we've seen over the course of these last few days, we've seen some incredible deals in the altcoin space. Check out yesterday's video if you haven't already. We highlighted 5 projects that we are picking up on the dip. And in fact, although it's never financial advice, we've already seen some great returns on these selections. Check out that video if you've not already. In today's part 2 video, we're looking at 5 more selections that you may want to consider. The market has already started to rebound, but if you act quickly, there's still some time to get in on these great deals. So be sure to watch this video in full in order to know which additional 5 projects and 5 altcoins we have our eyes on. Before we deep dive, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Maddie, and this is Altcoin Buzz, a crypto investment research company. These dips no longer scare us. We've been in this space through thick and thin for many, many years now, and in fact, we've been making millionaires since all the way back in 2017. We adapt our strategies to the good times and the bull cycles. We adapt our strategies to the bear markets as well. Again, not financial advice, but the best time to make future profits is to buy on the dips, on the red days. And we've been extremely transparent in terms of our long-term selections. We've made some major public bets on big winners such as Ethereum, Binance, Crypto.com, Engine, Matic Network, Chiliz, Quant Network, Polkadot, Uniswap, and many other projects that have made us 100x or more ROI. Deep research is the true key to understanding which projects represent the creme de la creme. And in that capacity, we're trying to do the heavy lifting for you guys. So if you don't want to miss out on the next potential crypto gem or altcoin moonshot, my recommendation is that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Altcoin Buzz. Make sure you like this video and also hit the bell to receive notifications, because that way you're going to be alerted by YouTube every time we publish new content. But if you want to go to the next level and gain exclusive access to our early research tips, as well as information on which projects we have our eyes on in terms of preliminary investments, maybe some indications as to what you may want to look out for in terms of buying signals, as well as stop loss tips. If that's something that you're into, you may want to be part of our paid membership program. That is called Altcoin Buzz Access. It is now live, and if that's something that does interest you, you can find additional information as well as the sign-up link in our description below. And of course, as a friendly reminder that I have to give it on a daily basis, none of this represents financial or investment advice. And just keep in mind that any kind of investment, crypto or otherwise, does have corresponding risk. All right, with that being said, let's get into our second batch of 5 top altcoins that we have our eyes on during this most recent Bitcoin dip. At number 1 on our list, we're looking at one of our favorites, Crypto.com, and its native token, CRO. So Crypto.com right now represents one of the best centralized exchanges in the world. They also have their decentralized wallet. They also have their mobile app, which is fantastic. And they have a variety of crypto services, such as their crypto Visa card, which has significant cash back and all kinds of other features, as well as an NFT marketplace and other features as well. This is an ecosystem that is rapidly expanding and growing seemingly every single day. And because CRO is the exclusive token of this huge platform that is making efforts to achieve global adoption for crypto as soon as possible, it's a big deal. And right now, Crypto.com has over 3,000 employees with 30 communities and over 10 million users across 90 different countries. And so this is really becoming a big international brand. CRO right now ranks just inside the top 15 cryptocurrencies by market cap. And at the time of this recording has, as you can see, a 24-hour trading volume of over $600 million. It's up 22% in the last day. It's a little bit off its all-time high, to be fair, but it's certainly having a good 24-hour stretch right now. 83% of its total supply has already been minted, or 25.25 billion tokens. And as you can see in the chart, the price of CRO has skyrocketed recently. But zooming out even further, let's take a look at the last 3 months here. We've seen some truly parabolic movement since November of 2021, and largely that's because of new partnerships, new tech integrations, and new system upgrades. Go back and check out some of our previous videos on the subject. We've discussed some of these developments and upgrades at length. Crypto.com and CRO truly do represent a massively expanding ecosystem. And this is due to a variety of crypto services that are helping to transform Crypto.com into really a terrific cryptocurrency bank. And a real consequence of this growth is that more tokens across the ecosystem are getting listed on this platform. And Crypto.com is the first crypto fintech to achieve Singapore's Data Protection Trust Mark. At number 2 on our list is a personal favorite that, we haven't discussed in quite a while, admittedly, but this is the so-called Godzilla token. This is THETA, just a project with so much latent potential in my humble opinion, and pretty much the broader opinion of the Altcoin Buzz team. If you're unfamiliar with this, THETA is the native token of the next generation of video and entertainment blockchain, which is backed by some very prestigious tech companies such as Google, Binance, Sony, Samsung, Blockchain.com, and many others. And this is because THETA is solving 3 problems in the video streaming industry right now: poor quality, skyrocketing data needs, and centralized and inefficient current systems. So how exactly does THETA solve this? Well, THETA is a decentralized peer-to-peer video delivery powered by users where viewers earn rewards as THETA fuel. It offers higher quality and smoother video streaming and offers reduced cost of delivering video streams. THETA represents the leading solution for the current video streaming ecosystem, and the token had a pretty incredible price increase in March of this year. That's when it hit its all-time high. And the impressive development of THETA allows developers to build decentralized dApps for different sectors such as esports, TV, music, and movies. And this is all possible because the THETA Network have developed really groundbreaking innovations in its technology, which include multi-BFT consensus, aggregated signature gossip schemes, and resource-oriented micropayment pools. Also, the THETA Network is backed by the very prestigious group of partners like Lionsgate, NASA, World Poker Tour, Line, Chainlink, Decentraland, and others. And THETA Network is also contributing to the NFT sector by developing an NFT marketplace called THETA Drop that is launching an NFT drop of Katy Perry. This is something that you may have heard of. And in addition, the platform is incentivizing the development of projects in the video, NFT, and gaming sector. So watch out for this one. Next up on our list is StormX, and STMX is the native token of StormX, which is a platform that combines the power of blockchain technology with traditional cashback so anyone can earn crypto by buying online. The STMX token has the ERC20 standard that operates on the Ethereum blockchain and which revolutionizes the way that people are compensated through gamified engagement microtasks and also for freelance work. Now, the price performance of the STMX token has admittedly been pretty unstable over the course of its lifetime. For example, we saw a huge price increase from December 2017 to February 2018 because the platform was still in development. But as you can see from the chart, the token didn't have a direct influence from other cryptos. But all of that can be forgiven because StormX truly does have the potential to dramatically optimize how the worldwide freelance marketplace operates, all by implementing a decentralized reward program that can be monetized through STMX tokens. According to the roadmap, in Q4 of 2021, StormX will have a VIP customer support and the update of the fee cost in the staking dApp. Also, in Q1 of 2022, the governance token will be launched, exchange integrations are going to happen, and a debit card launch is also something that we're going to see, among other important developments as well. All right, and at number 4 in this part 2 video, we are considering Lukso, and LYXe is the native token of Lukso, which is a blockchain architecture that offers a set of standards and solutions for physical and digital consumer goods in order to promote transparency, circularity, and new ways of producing and consuming responsibly. This is an ambitious project that seeks to develop standards and tools for a new economy based on cultural currencies, digital certificates, and universal public profiles. Therefore, blockchain-based users and company profiles enable permanent identifiers in the digital world. Also, Lukso introduces an additional digital layer to the ownership of creative goods and makes unique characteristics permanently visible. Finally, digital tokens can act as the connective medium for lifestyle communities, which makes them valuable, participative, and inclusive. The LYXe token has the ERC20 standard and has had two all-time high moments worth noting in March and November of this year, 2021. However, the tendency is mostly positive really since its launch. Right now, the token has a market cap, as you can see, of about $250 million US, with 24-hour trading volume of about $3.3 million US, and 15% of the total supply has been minted already. Very impressively, Lukso is also starting to run games in its blockchain. And now finally, at number 5 on this list, we're looking at a perennial favorite of the channel, Cardano, and ADA, I should say, which is the native token of Cardano's proof-of-stake blockchain that combines pioneering technologies to provide unparalleled security and sustainability to decentralized applications, systems, and societies. So Cardano exists to shift power from unaccountable structures to the margins to individuals, and to be an enabling force for good change and progress with a top team of engineers. This is a strong project because the potential of this blockchain has integral use cases in things like education, retail, agriculture, government, finance, and healthcare, of course. As you can see from the charts, the price of ADA started to boost beginning kind of in January 2021. However, this coin has been affected by the influence of others, but in the long term, the tendency has been pretty positive. Why? Well, because Cardano has continued achieving important milestones inside its ecosystem, such as the launch of smart contracts with Alfonso. More recently, it's also implemented NFT functionality and also staking, as well as additional features. In December, Cardano's block size was increased 12.5% in order to provide greater capacity for over 2 million users. And larger block sizes means more transactions, such as Plutus scripts, native tokens, metadata, and of course, simple ADA transactions. So there you have it, guys, all in simple terms, a part 2 video of 5 additional top tier altcoins that we feel are, at least for a little while longer, available on a bargain at a significant discount. And not financial advice, but as we talked about yesterday, the way to truly increase and enhance your wealth is to buy up assets when blood is running in the streets, even if some of that blood is your own, because I think we've all been hurt at least a little bit by this recent market crash, this recent dip, retracement, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that's an important thing to remember. You got to buy up assets when blood is running in the streets. We only buy on red days. We endeavor to buy on red days at deep discounts, not when things are at an all-time high. We don't want to FOMO in on green candles. We want to buy in the red. Let us know, guys, if you agree with our 5 selections, which among these are your favorites. If we've left something off this list and maybe off of yesterday's video as well, that you feel is a good bargain to pick up during this dip, let us know about that in the comments below. Best of luck, guys, if you do choose to invest. If you're still watching, be sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to receive notifications. Check out these other videos, which should be popping up right about now. Stay safe, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army, and as always, we do hope to see you again soon in the next video. Take care.